You are welcome to this technical analysis on gold xauusd right here. My name is Paradise and you're welcome to this channel. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other forex videos and educational content. Right here on gold is a very interesting pair to trade, and significantly on the chart right now, market is moving to the downside. And from price action on the chart right here, if you look at where the market moved from this area, so we were seeing a progressive move upward and the retracement right at this point. Market move again to the upside, we have retracement and then move upward, and the market is coming back to the downside. One thing you must have to note on this chart is if you compare this market move from this point to this very area, and then again from this very point to this very area, and then from this point to this very area, you can see that there is a reduced momentum on this very area where we see the last move to the upside. Now, market creates a new close, but this very move is not as strong and long as we see right here. So we see that the first move right here was very, very strong. Not only that, it stayed longer in the market. So the bulls take control of the market all the way from this very point up to this very area before that retracement, and then we see the continuation part of it. The continuation part of it cannot be compared to this very move that happened earlier in the market, and then we see this retracement. Now, one thing very important as well here is that if you compare this retracement is not as aggressive as we see right here. So take control of the market aggressively compared to the way we see right here. Now, from this very point, market move upward and fail to create a significant new high. So you can see that on this very chart, and you can agree with me that the market did not create any significant new close. So this is the highest high in the market, but this market create a new close, which is what we must have to take into consideration. So right now, what I am expecting on gold is for the market to come back to the downside, because of I am now sensing a reduced momentum. Now look at what the market do again right at this point. Market come back down and then move up and could not create a new high at this very point. So this was a new close. Market could not create a high that is up to this very point. So market failed and then come back to the downside right now. So on gold, very importantly, you must have to be looking for short opportunity or selling the market, because if you buy, then that means maybe you are a counter trend trader or you just want to take unnecessary risk. So if you are a counter trend trader, that is fine. There is no problem about that. But if you want to be in the right direction of the market right now, it is good to look for sell opportunity instead of buying the market from this very price action we are seeing right now on the chart. So this is very, very important. This is what you must have to pay attention to and put in line with your strategy so that you will be in the right direction of the market, just as we are just starting this move right now. So market is going to go down up to this very area. This is where I may say market to come into maybe before the next move to the upside. This is very, very important on the chart right now. And very importantly, if we switch back to the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart right here, in my last video yesterday, I talked about something very important, and that this market is going to come back down. And that is exactly the same thing we see right at this point. Market come back up to this very point I was expecting the market to come into, and right now we are going to see the market come back to the upside before the final move downward. So one thing you have to do as a trader is to learn how to do top-down analysis. That is, you analyze your chart from the higher time frame and take your trade on the lower time frame in line with what the higher time frame is doing. And you must have to know when the retracements have finally ended on the lower time frame so that you can trade in line with what is going on the higher time frame. So on this very pair yesterday, I told the market is going to come back down, and exact same thing. And I said this very region right here, and this very point is where we expect the market to come back into, and that is what we see right here. So right now, expect the market to move upward. So the market should not create a new high above this. That is not my expectation right now. I have changed my directional bias. Market is going to move a little bit upward, and even though we see the market to move up than what we see right here, it's not a time to long the market. Market is still going to come back to the downside. So on the immediate short term, expect this market to begin to move upward, okay, for a retracement. Now somebody can argue that this cannot be a retracement because this very move have not created a new low yet. That is fine, but if you notice on the 1-day chart, market have changed direction. So this is a potential impulse which have not created a new low yet. I agree that, but market is going to move up a little bit and then come back to the downside to complete this full length of impulse from the Elliott wave pattern. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now. So on the immediate short term, a brief recap is that market is going to from here move up a little bit and then look for sell opportunity on this very good 4-hour chart to the downside, because market is going to move down. So for now, your attention should be shorting the market on gold rather than buying the market. And then if you are a counter trend trader and you want to buy the market, then you have to wait for the market to show us that significant move upward before you cannot take advantage of that short move to the upside for a buy. And you have to do it in line with your strategy, because counter trend position is only for professionals. So this is what I am expecting right now on gold chart or XAUUSD chart right at this very point. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. And if you've not registered with any broker, I have a recommended broker for you in the description of this video. Check it right down and do your registration with that broker. Thank you for watching to this video, and I will see you in the next video.